fundamentals. First, variable. What do you mean by variable? Variable is an unknown value. We do not know the value of that variable. So it is called variable. Variable means which varies, or in simple English, it is an unknown value. It is an unknown value, or the value which we need to determine. The value which we need to determine is called variable. It varies. Suppose, for example, 2x equivalent to 8. 2x equivalent to 8. X is equivalent to 4. X is equivalent to 4. For this, x is equivalent to 4. X square is equivalent to 25. X is equivalent to plus 5 or minus 5. X is equivalent to plus 5 or minus 5. Very, very important note. Please make a note, sir. Most of the student in hurry, they might do a mistake. A square equivalent to 4. That means A will give you plus or minus 2. But square root of 4 is equivalent to 2. Square root output will always be a positive value. Square root output will always be a positive value. Square root output will always be a positive value. Please make a note of this. Very, very good example, sir. Square function, x square equivalent to 16. X can take plus 4 or x can take minus 4. But under root, if it is there, square root of function, output will always be a positive value. In hurry, don't do this mistake. Now, if you observe carefully here, 2x equivalent to 8, x equivalent to 4. So here we got x equivalent to 4. Here we got x equivalent to plus 5 or minus 5. So which varies? Unknown value we are determining. 2 multiplied by which number I will get 8. That number we don't know. We are finding it out. X is 4. X square equivalent to 25. Which value of x will satisfy this equation? X value will satisfy plus 5 or minus 5. This is variable. Next is constant. Constant. Constant is a known value. Constant is a value which never changes. Constant is a known value. Constant is a known value. For example, 2 is a constant, 7 is a constant, 13 is a constant, 1729, this is also a constant. Constant is a value which does not changes. Variable is a value which changes depending upon the expression or equation. Then I said expression. What do you mean by expression? Expression is a way of expressing using variables, constants, using variables, constants, and mathematical operators. If I express, algebra is a way of expressing. If I express using variables, constants, and mathematical operators, then it is called an expression. Expression is a way of expressing. In algebra, we express by using variables. In number system, we express using numerical values. In geometry, we express using diagrams. So expression is a way of expressing. There are people who express what is there in their mind using Hindi or English or Tamil. It is a language which they use to convey a message. So expression is a way of communicating. If I express using variables, constants, and mathematical operators, then it is called as an expression. For example, 2x plus 3y. It is a combination of variables, constants, and mathematical operators. 5x cube y plus 7z power 4. It is an way of expressing by using variables, constants, and mathematical operators. Variable, constants, and mathematical operation. What is a variable? Unknown value. In all the questions whatever we are discussing today, we are going to use all these terms. So I am defining it for the sake of a non-mathematical students. Variable, it is an unknown value. Constant, it is a known value. Constant will never change. Variable variable is a dynamic quantity which changes. Constant is a static quantity. Expression is a way of expressing using variables, constants and mathematical operators. Then comes, suppose P of x is an expression. P of x is an expression. The general form of an expression is a0 plus a1x plus a2x square, a3x cube and so on up to an x power n. P of x is a polynomial expression. A polynomial expression will be of the form a0 plus a1x plus a2x square and so on up to an x power n. This is a polynomial expression on x. This is a polynomial expression on x. Polynomial expression on x. This expression is not equated with anything. If I equate polynomial expression with 0, then I will get polynomial equation. If an expression is equated with something, if it is equated with 2, left hand side 2, if I bring minus 2 equivalent to 0. So if an expression is equated with 0, then it is called polynomial equation. If an expression is equated with 0, then it is called polynomial equation. Now, another very, very important concept, degree of an expression. If expression is not equated with anything, degree of an expression. But before we discuss the degree of an expression, suppose there is 2x plus 3y equivalent to 7. So it is 2x plus 3y minus 7 equivalent to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 7 equivalent to 0. These two are separated by a mathematical operator. So anything before a mathematical operator or anything after a mathematical operator, it is called a term. Term contains either constants or variables or the combination of variable and the constant. Anything before the mathematical operator or anything after the mathematical operator, it is called a term. How many terms are there? 1 before plus, 1 after plus, 1 before minus 7. After that it is equated with 0. So there are 3 terms are there. Now in the degree of an expression, what is the degree of an expression? Suppose x square minus 5x plus 6 equivalent to 0. This is an expression. Am I right? How many terms are there? 3 terms are there. One is x square, another is 5x, another is 6. There are 3 terms are there. So it is the highest power of a highest power of a term. How do you get the highest power of a term? Right? So if there are more variables, sum of the powers of multivariables. Very, very important key points, sir. Please listen carefully. Degree of an expression, x square minus 5x plus 6 equivalent to 0. There are 3 terms. One is x square, another is 5x, another is 6. Highest power, if there is a single variable, here it is 2, here it is 1, here it is x power 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. What is the highest? It is 2. It is the highest, it is 2. Suppose there is x cube y square plus x power 4 y power 2 plus x power 6 equivalent to 0. This is another polynomial expression. X cube y square plus x power 4 y square plus x power 6. This is 2 variables are there. If there are 2 variables, add the sum of the powers. 3 plus 2, it is 5. 4 plus 2, it is 6. It is 6. What is highest? Highest is 6. So if there are more than one variables, then add the powers of that variables. That will give a degree. Sum of the powers of the multivariables. If there is more than one variable, add the powers. If there is more than one variable, add the powers. If there is only a single variable, just take the highest power of the term. Degree of an expression is given by an highest power of a term. Degree of an expression is given by an highest power of a term. Another important key point, degree will always be a non-negative integral solution. Non-negative integer. Degree can never be fraction. Degree can never be negative. Sir, why degree cannot be fraction? Why degree cannot be negative? Degree will tell us the maximum number of solutions that can satisfy that equation. Degree, if degree it is 2, it can have 2 roots, or it can have 1 root, or it can have 0 roots. Degree will tell us the maximum number of roots for a given equation. Degree will tell us the right maximum number of roots for an equation. I hope it is clear. If LHS value is equivalent to an right hand side value, then we will use an equivalent operator. Plus, minus, these are all mathematical operators. If LHS is equivalent to RHS, then we will equate it. As I told you in a previous class, sir, x square minus 5x plus 6. X square minus 5x plus 6. Now if you see, if I substitute x equivalent to 2, so this will become 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 minus 10, 0. 10 minus 2, 10, 0. This expression is giving with 0. That means if I equate this expression with 0, that means 0 equivalent to 0. This equation. F of x value, if I substitute 2. F of x value, if I substitute 2. F of 2, I am getting 0. If a value is giving the right hand side 0, if a value 2 is giving a right hand side 0, then 2 is called the root of f of x. 2 is called the root of f of x. If you take a value, substitute in the left hand side. By substituting the value for a variable with a constant, if you are getting 0, then it is a root of f of x. I told you in my previous class, what is the difference between root and solution? What is the difference between root and a solution? If alpha is a root, then f of alpha, answer is always 0. If alpha is a root, f of alpha, it is always 0. Solution means left hand side value matches with the right hand side value. Matches with right hand side value. I hope it is clear. Left hand side value matches with right hand side value. A root means y coordinate will be 0. Root means y coordinate will be 0. A root is always a solution. But a solution may or may not be a root. Very, very important key point. But a solution may or may not be a root. A root is always a solution, but a solution may or may not be a root. I explained in the maxima and minima why this is happening. Just I will spend one more time Now see here, if there are two graphs, one graph is like this, one graph is like this. If I take another graph, if I take another graph, if I take another graph like this, how many times they two are intersecting? One time, twice, third, fourth. So totally how many solutions are there? Two graphs are intersecting at a point, then it is called a solution. So totally how many times they are intersecting? 4 times they are intersecting. But how many roots are there? A root is a solution with y coordinate 0. If y coordinate is 0, that means it should touch the x-axis. It should touch the x-axis. Out of these 4 points, out of these 4 points which they intersected, out of these 4 points which they intersected, only 1 point is intersecting at the axis. That means out of this 4 point, 1 is a root. 1 root out of 4 solutions. There are 4 solutions, but 1 is a root. Very, very important key point. A root is always a solution, but a solution may or may not be a root. But a solution may or may not be a root. I hope you understood the difference between a root and a solution. Root and a solution. Now, another very, very, all the questions are based on this concept today, degree of an expression. Degree of an expression. Degree of an expression. How to calculate the degree? Degree can never be negative, because negative power for x does not mean that it is a polynomial function. A polynomial function, a polynomial expression, a polynomial expression. We are not talking about a rational expression. A polynomial expression, degree will always be, degree will always be a non-negative integer. Degree will always be a non-negative integer. A polynomial expression, degree will always be a non-negative integer. I hope the idea it is clear. Suppose if I take root x, root x is x power half. So this is power of x, it is a fraction. Then it is called a rational expression. Then it is called a rational expression. A rational expression will take powers negative or a fraction. But a polynomial expression, degree will always be non-negative integer. Polynomial expression, degree will always be a non-negative integer. I hope the concept it is clear. I hope the concept it is clear. If there is a polynomial expression in the numerator, p of x, and there is another polynomial expression, q of x, if this degree it is 5, what is the degree? Highest power of a term. How do you find the highest power? If there are more than one variable, add the powers. Add the powers. If in the numerator, if it is a polynomial expression with a degree 5 and denominator it is degree 2, the final answer will be a power m by a power n. Answer is a power m minus n. So answer will be of degree 3. Answer will be of degree 3. Whenever there is a rational function, numerator it is a polynomial function, numerator degree it is a non-negative integer, denominator degree also it is a non-negative integer. So degree 5 by degree 2, answer will become degree 3. Degree 3. If the numerator highest power, if it is degree 5, denominator highest power degree it is 2. So the remaining it will be degree 3. Remaining it will be degree 3. Similarly, p of x into q of x. P of x into q of x. This is the degree 5 and this is degree 2. If this is degree 5 and it is degree 2, answer will be degree 7. Answer will be degree 7. Same to the property a power m into a power n. It is equivalent to a power m plus n. A power m by a power n, it is equivalent to a power m minus n. This is the concept which we are using. A power m into a power n is a power m plus n. A power m by a power n is a power m minus n. I hope this concept it is very, very clear. Some very, very good problems we are going to solve today. But before this one, what is the degree? Degree gives the maximum number of roots. Degree gives the maximum number of roots p of x can take. Maximum number of roots p of x can take. Degree gives the maximum number of roots p of x can take. Degree of p of x. For example, if I see x square minus 5x plus 6 equivalent to 0. X square minus 4x plus 4 equivalent to 0. X square minus 4x plus 13 equivalent to 0. Three equations I will take. Degree of p of x. For a polynomial expression, degree always takes the maximum number of roots. Degree always takes the maximum number of roots. If I simplify this one, x minus 2 into x minus 3 equivalent to 0. X equivalent to 2 comma 3. If I simplify this one, this is x minus 2 whole square equivalent to 0. X is 2 comma 2. Two roots I got, both of them are equal. That means one root it is there. Two roots. This is b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. 16 minus 52 minus 36 less than 0. That means no real roots. No real roots. What is the degree in this case? Degree in this case is 2. What does the degree denotes? Degree denotes maximum number of roots an expression can take. Degree denotes the maximum number of expression p of x can take. Degree is 2. Two roots. Degree is 2. Only one root I got. Maximum value it is 2. Maximum value it is 2. Now see here. Note. Listen carefully, sir. Very, very interesting note. Most of the teachers will not teach this note. X plus a into x plus b by a minus c into b minus c plus x plus b into x plus c divided by b minus a into c minus a plus x plus a into x plus c divided by a minus b into c minus b equivalent to 1. See this equation. Very, very interesting equation, sir. X plus a into x plus b divided by a minus c into b minus c plus x plus b into x plus c divided by b minus a into c minus a. X plus a into x plus c divided by a minus b into c minus b. If I apply the above note, x into x, x square, maximum power it is 2. X into x, maximum power 2. X into x, maximum power 2. Maximum 2 means it should have maximum 2 roots. Let us see. X equivalent to minus c. Minus c. Minus c plus c is 0. Minus c plus c is 0. A minus c into b minus c by a minus c, b minus c. 1 equivalent to 1. 1 equivalent to 1. X equivalent to minus a. Minus a plus a 0. Minus a plus a 0. B minus a into c minus a by b minus a, c minus a. 1 equivalent to 1. X equivalent to minus b. Minus b plus b 0. Minus b plus b 0. A minus b into c minus b. 1 equivalent to 1. 1 equivalent to 1. How many values you got? Minus a, minus b, minus c. What is the degree of this equation? It is equated with 1. What is the degree of this equation? 1. The degree it is 2. It is equated with 1. If the degree it is 2, maximum how many roots it should have? 2 roots it should have. But how many roots we got? X is minus a, minus b, minus c. How many roots it has got? 3 roots it has got. How it is possible? Degree will always give you the maximum number of roots, right? If the root is 2, maximum how many it should have? 2 it should have. But how much I got? 3, right? Always remember, this point is right except identity equation. Except identity equation. Identity equation is an equation. Identities are sin square theta plus cos square theta equivalent to 1. That is an identity equation. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equivalent to 1. That's an identity equation. Identity equation, there is no restriction on a particular value of theta. Theta can be 15, theta can be 30, theta can be 45, theta can be 60, and so on. So, from now onwards, if anybody asks what is the degree, do not tell that degree will give you the maximum number of roots. Please also tell them that except it is an identity equation. Except it is an identity equation. I hope the idea it is clear. In case if you got any doubts, kindly reply it in the live chat before we get into problem. Lot of good problems we'll solve. I will take the class till 8 o'clock. Again, I will come and take the class at morning and night 9 to 10:30 p.m. I will take the class. If possible, tomorrow morning also I will take the class from 6:30 to 8 a.m. or 7 to 9 a.m. Lot of interesting classes we are going to discuss, sir. Kindly reply if everything it is clear. Let us get into the problems. Let us get into the problems. Now, first one. See here. We are going to discuss the original exam model questions. Question is like this. A cube into b square minus c square. Now, another important thing. Today, all the questions are from algebra. Today, all the questions are from algebra. You will find 4 different varieties of questions. 4 different varieties of questions you will see. What are that 4 different varieties of question? Question contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer also contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer contains variables. Second type. Question contains variables. Answer contains numerical values. Answer contains numerical values. Question contains variables. Answer contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer contain numerical values. Third type. Question contains numerical values. Question contains numerical values. Answer contains variables. Answer contains variables. Fourth one. Question contains numerical values. Question contains numerical values. And answer also contains numerical values. And answer also contains numerical values. These are the 4 varieties of questions that we are going to discuss today. Depending upon a question, depending upon the merit of the question, we will use a particular logic. Question variable, answer variables. Question variable, answer numerical value. Question numerical value, answer variables. Question numerical value, answer numerical values. What are the various methods to solve? In algebra, these questions, what are the various methods to solve? Like we did it in simplification, we did it by using the digital sum concept, we did it by using last 2 digits concept, we did it by using a divisibility rule concept, we did it by using speed calculation technique problem. Similarly, in algebra also there are some methods to solve. What are that methods to solve? One is a degree method. One is a degree method. One is a degree method. Next one is substitution method. Degree method. Next one is substitution method. Next is substitution method. Third one is symmetry method. Third one is symmetry method. Fourth one is algebraic identity method, algebraic identities method, algebraic identity method. Fifth one is concept execution method. Concept execution method. These are the 5 methods which are used to solve an algebra based problems. Degree method, next one is substitution method, next one is symmetry method, next one is algebraic identity method, next one is concept execution method. Concepts execution method. This symmetric function is used for homogeneous functions. This symmetric method is used for homogeneous or symmetric functions. What do you mean by symmetric function? F of x comma y is x square plus y square. If I replace x with y and y with x, it is equivalent to f of x comma y. This symmetry method is used for an homogeneous method. We will see what are the merits of the concept, what are the demerits of the concept, which concept to be used when. Again I am repeating: degree method, substitution method, symmetry method, algebraic identity method, and a concept execution method. In today's class we will discuss all the 5 methods with as many original exam model questions as possible. I hope the concept is clear. Algebra, 4 different methods are there. 5 different methods are there. See the first question. A cube into, now if you see, for every concept I will write down what is the concept. A cube into b square minus c square, b cube into c square minus a square into b minus c. Question contains variables. Answer options contains either variables or constant. Questions contain variables. Answer contains either variables or constants, or variable or constant. If you see, the degree for these answer option 4 is 1. Here it is a degree 0. Here it is a degree 2. There are 4 answer options given where the degree it is changing. So let us apply the degree method. If the answer options degrees are different, I repeat, if the answer option degrees are different, same like number system. In number system, if the digital sums are same for the more than one answer option, we will not use a digital sum. If the degree is same, then we will not use a degree method. Same language. Number system is using numerical values. Algebra is using variables. Degree method. What is the degree method? Let us see. A cube into b square. Here it is 5. Here also 5. Here also 5. 5. The degree in the numerator, it is 5. Degree in the numerator, it is 5. Divided by, here it is degree 3. Here it is degree 3. Degree 3. Denominator, it is degree 3. Numerator, it is degree 5. Denominator, it is degree 3. Answer will be degree 2. Check it out if there is more than one answer option with degree 2. If there is more than one answer option with degree 2, then we will get into substitution method. Here it is degree 0, degree 1. So degree 2, only one answer option is there. So therefore option A is the first option. Option A, it is the first option. Again I am repeating, please write down in your notebook. If answers degrees are different, first use a degree method. Degree, what is a degree? Degree is the highest power of a term. If there is a single variable, it is there, take the highest power. If there is more than 2 variables, take the sum of the powers. 3 plus 2, it is 5. Degree in the numerator 5, degree in the denominator 3. Degree 5, degree 3. Answer should be degree 2. So 3 options are there, right? So answer for this question is AB plus BC plus CA. Fundamental question number 1. I hope it is clear. This is the entire concept. Kindly take a screenshot of this. These are the 5 methods that are possible. Variables are there, numerical values are there. Both can be variables, both can be numerical values. One is variable, another is a numerical value. Another is a numerical value. Next one. Now see, again the question contains, I will write down the approach here. Question contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer also contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer also contains variables. What is the first method that needs to be used? Method 1 that needs to be used is degree method. Method 1 that needs to be used is degree method. If answer options has more than 1 degree, then we will go to the substitution method. There are 3 terms are there. This is 1 term before operator, 1 term after operator, 1 term after operator. What is the degree? Highest power of a term. 3a cube b, degree 4. A into a square, degree 2. Degree 4, degree 2. So here the degree it is 2. Here the degree it is 2. Here the degree it is 2. 2, 2, 2. What will be the answer degree? Answer degree will be 2. This is degree 0. This is degree 1. This is degree 3. So the answer will be AB plus BC plus AC. Answer will be degree 2. Again listen carefully. Here the degree it is 4. Denominator degree it is 2. Numerator degree 4. Denominator degree 2. Answer will be degree 2. Degree 2, degree 2, degree 2. Answer will be degree 2. So option is AB plus BC plus AC. Very, very easy question. Slowly we will increase the level of difficulty. A into B minus C whole square. What does question contains? Question contains variables. Answer contains variables or numerical values. Question contains where the degree method is used. Degree method is used when the question it is variable and the answer it is either variables or numerical values. When the answer it is either variables or numerical values. If the question contains variables, definitely degree method can be used to eliminate incorrect answer options. What is the degree? There are 3 terms are there. A into B minus C whole square. B square plus C square minus 2BC. So this is degree 3. This is also degree 3. This is also degree 3. 3, 3, 3. Answer degree should be 3. Answer degree should be 3. Answer degree should be 3. Here it is degree 1, degree 0, degree 2. Answer should be degree 3. Answer should be degree 3. Answer should be degree 3. So answer for this question is ABC. Answer for this question is ABC. I hope the idea it is clear. Again I am repeating, wherever the question contains variables, use the degree method. Wherever the question contains variables, use the degree method. Question contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer contains also variables or numerical values. Question contains variables. Answer contains variables or numerical values. The first method which we will use is degree method. Degree method will give us all incorrect answer options. Please eliminate it. Degree method is an elimination method. Degree method will never give us the right answer option. It is an elimination method. It will eliminate all incorrect answer options. It will eliminate all incorrect answer options. X plus y plus z whole cube. X cube, y cube, z cube. Degree 3, degree 3, degree 3. So question it is degree 3. Question it is degree 3. Question it is degree 3. Answer wherever the degree is not 3, that cannot be the answer. Again I am repeating, question degree it is 3. Answer wherever it is not 3. Answer wherever it is not 3, this is not the answer. Here it is degree 1. Here it is degree 1. Here it is degree 3. Yes, here it is degree 3. Here it is degree 0. Wherever the degree it is not 3, then it cannot be the answer. That means option A. option A, comma option D are eliminated. Option A, comma option D are eliminated. Now we are struck with two answer option. Wherever degree method is failing, substitution method will come into picture. Substitution method will come into picture. Substitution method. If the answer options degrees are same, then directly go to the substitution method. Answer. Then we will use substitution method. Substitution method. What is substitution method? Take any values that comes into mind. Generally, in higher algebra by Hall and Knight textbook, in higher algebra by Hall and Knight textbook, a very, very good concept is there, which we generally use to solve the questions from NTSC paper or for IIT entrance examination. In our school days, our teachers might have told, put theta equivalent to 45 and simplify the question. Higher algebra by Hall and Knight question, you substitute 0, 1 or minus 1. Ideally, this should be the first step. 0, 1 or minus 1. Sir, why we are putting 0, 1 or minus 1? Calculations will become very easy. This is not any local trainer's method. This is an taken from higher algebra by Hall and Knight textbook. I am giving you the source from where the teachers have learnt and shared it. Most of them do not share the source. Higher algebra by Hall and Knight method. Now substitution method. Sir, can I put 0? If I put 0, everything 0, 0, 0. Answer 0, 0, 0. 0 is not possible. If I put 1, x equivalent to 1, y equivalent to 1, z equivalent to 1, 3 cube minus 1 plus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 27 minus 3, 24. Answer, it should give x1, y1, z1. I kept it. x1, y1, z1. 1, 8, 1 plus, this degree anyway, it is out. This is out. So answer is 24 xyz. Answer is 24 xyz. Listen very carefully, sir. If the answer options, first thing, if the question contains variables, answer contains variables, use the degree method. What is the degree method? Degree method will always eliminate incorrect answer option. Question degree is 3. Answer degree also it should be 3. Answer degree also it should be 3. Option A and option D are eliminated. Now we are struck with two options. Put x equivalent to 1, y equivalent to 1 and z equivalent to 1. Put x equivalent to 1, y equivalent to 1 and z equivalent to 1. X equivalent to, y it is missing, we will write down. X equivalent to a plus 1 by a, y equivalent to a minus 1 by a. Then find the value of root of x power 4, root of x power 4, root of x power 4 plus root of y power 4 minus 2x square y square. I told you degree is defined for a polynomial expression. Degree should always be a non-negative integer. Again I am repeating. Degree should always be a non-negative integer. Sir, why degree cannot be applied here? What is the power? What is the power here? Power, it is half. Degree is always a non-negative integer. Degree, it is always a non-negative integer. So degree ideally do not follow it. Question contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer contains variables. Answer contains variables. What we should do? Step number 2, substitution method. What we need to do? Substitution method. What is the flow chart to do substitution method? We will check whether 0 can be used. If it cannot be used, we will use 1. Then we will use minus 1. 0, 1 or minus 1. For selective problems, we can use any other numerical value also. X equivalent to a plus 1 by a. Y equivalent to a minus 1 by a. Variable is there in the denominator. So 0 cannot be used. 0 cannot be used. So put a equivalent to 1. If I put a equivalent to 1, x will become 2. If I put a equivalent to 1, y will become 1. 2 minus 1, 1. X is 2, y is 1. A is 1. 1 plus 1, it is 2. Here it is 1 minus 1, 0. So this 1 minus 1, it will become 0. X is 2, y is 0. So this will become root of 16 plus 0 minus 0. Root 16, it is 4. Root 16, it is 4. Root 16, it is 4. X value 2, I took. A value, how much I took? 1. A value, how much I took? 1. So if I put a value 1, this is 16, this is 8, this is 8 by a square, and this is 4. Answer, I got 4 only, right? Again, I am repeating, degree is used for a polynomial expression. A polynomial expression, degree will always be a non-negative integer. Degree will always be a non-negative integer. Then I used the thumb rule of 0, 1 or minus 1. 0 cannot be used because it is there in denominator. 0 cannot be used. So a, I took it as 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. So it is x value 2. Root of 16. Root of 16, it is 4. Root of 16, it is 4. So the answer is 4. Answer, it is 4. I hope the idea, it is clear. Why a degree cannot be used? Degree can be used for a polynomial expression. Degree can be used for a polynomial expression. Till now we did the questions. If you see, question, it is a variable. Answer, it is a combination of variables and constant. Question, it is a variable. Answer, it is a combination of variables and constants. Question, it is a variable. Answer, it is a combination of variable and constants. Suppose if you see, question, it is a variable. Answer, it is only numerical values. Please write down, sir. Question, it is a variables. Question, it is a variable. Answer option, it is numerical values. Answer option, it is numerical values. Question, it is variables. Answer option, it is a numerical value. If it is a numerical value, how to do? Listen carefully, sir. One is substitution method. What is method number 2? Method number 2 is substitution method. Method number 2 is substitution method. Just now we discussed substitution method. X it is there, y it is there, x plus y equivalent to 2z. 2z is an even number. So even plus even is even, or odd plus odd is even. 3 and 5, z is 4. 2 and 7, here it will be 4.5. I can substitute any value for x and y. I will get the corresponding values of z. Substitution method. You can condense, or condense means you can optimize, or you can reduce the number of steps. You can reduce the number of steps. You can reduce the number of steps. How you can reduce the number of steps? By making another beautiful concept. Make dependent variable 0. Make dependent variable 0. The value that is the output based on the inputs. Make the dependent variable 0. Now if you see here, x plus y equivalent to 2z. X can take y 1, y can take 3, z will be 2. X can take 2, y can be 6, z will be 4. Like that many values I will get it. Why to work with x and y values? For whatever the input that I am giving x and y, I am getting the output z. X plus y equivalent to 2z. The value of z is a function of x comma y. The value of z is a function of x comma y. Are you all with me? Z is a function of x comma y. Make dependent variable 0. Dependent variable is z. Make z 0. Make z 0. Simple answer is 0 by anything 0. 0 by anything 0. Answer is 0. Answer for the sixth question, it is 0. Always remember, if the question, if you see degree method cannot be used. Degree is 1 here. Degree is 1 here. 1 minus 1 degree, it is 0. If the degree is 0, all are constants. All the answer options are constant. Degree method cannot be used. Degree method cannot be used. Can I use a substitution method? Definitely yes. But are there any better methods than substitution method? Yes. And that method is make dependent variable 0. Make dependent variable 0. What is the value of z? Z is dependent on x and y. X and y can take any values, but z value is dependent on x and y. Make dependent variable 0 instead of attacking with x and y. What is this dependent variable 0 concept? Dependent variable 0 concept is a condensed method of substitution. It's a condensed method of substitution, very beautifully explained in a book, Arthur Benjamin, a book on speed calculations. Arthur Benjamin. I find it funny if people say that these are their methods. These are taken from the foreign textbooks. Arthur Benjamin's book on speed calculations. Arthur Benjamin's book on speed calculation. You can also see some of these concepts in the old book on Trachtenberg. These are the sources. What is a dependent variable concept? Dependent variable concept is an optimized version of substitution method. No need to find x, y, z. Make only z 0. I also told you in some class where area is given. Now I'll explain you what I did. Area of the triangle 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. If the figure is like this, what I did, I just shifted this figure. I shifted this figure to reduce my calculation time. So I shifted it by -2, -3. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 6 minus 2, 4. 7 minus 3, 4. 8 minus 2, 6. 9 minus 3, 6. Half of what is the area of the triangle with 1.00? x1 y2 minus x2 y1. 24 minus 24, it is 0. 0 by anything 0. That means these 3 points are collinear points. What do you mean by collinear points? They all lie on the same line. I did it with -2, -3. Sir, can I shift it with -6, -7? 2 minus 6 minus 4, 3 minus 7 minus 4. Next is 0, 0. 8 minus 6, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. Half of x1, y2 minus x2, y1. Again 0. Sir, can I shift it with -8, -9? That also will give you the answer. 2 minus 8 minus 6. 3 minus 9 minus 6. 6 minus 8 minus 2. 7 minus 9 minus 2. It is 0, 0. Half of x1, y2 minus x2, y1. It is also 0. You can shift it with -2, -3. You can shift it with -6, -7. You can shift it with -8, -9. You can shift it with any other value. Area. Suppose a water is there in this water bottle. If I shift the bottle, will the volume change? No. If I rotate the bottle, will the volume change? No. Same concept. So I am making one coordinate 0, 0 to make my calculation easier. I am making one value 0 to make my calculation easier. Simple approach, sir. Simple approach. I am making one variable 0 to get the answer fast. I am making one coordinate 0 to get my answer fast. I hope the idea it is clear. Only in our class we will work with ideas. X plus y equivalent to 2z. So z value is dependent on x and y. Z value is dependent on x and y. Make the dependent variable 0. Make the dependent variable 0. Z is 0. Z is 0. x by x 1, y by y 1, 1 plus 1, answer it is 2. Again I am repeating, make the dependent variable, 0, make z 0. If I make z 0, this is 0, this is 0, 1 plus 1 it is 2. 1 plus 1 it is 2. A plus B plus C it is 0. The problem why degree cannot be used is, here the degree it is 2. Here the degree it is 2. Degree 2 numerator, degree 2 denominator. Final degree will be 0. All constants will have degree 0. Always remember, if the question contains variables, answer contains only numerical values. Degree method cannot be used. Degree method, that is the demerit of this method. Degree method cannot be used if the question contains variables and the answer contains only numerical values. First we discussed the usage of degree method, then we discussed the demerit of that degree method. Degree 2, finally it will be degree 0. All constants will have degree 0. So that is the reason A plus B plus C is equivalent to 0. A plus B is equivalent to minus C. A plus B is equivalent to minus C. So what is the dependent variable? Dependent variable, it is the C. Make dependent variable C is 0. You can also substitute for A and B and get the value of C and substitute. That also will give you answer. Make C 0. This is out. This is out. It is A square plus B square divided by A square. If C is 0, A plus B it is 0. A is minus B. A is minus B. B square plus B square, 2B square by B square. Answer is 2. Answer for this question is 2. Make dependent variable 0. Make dependent variable 0. Make dependent variable 0. Or, sir, I want to substitute it. A value 1, B value 2, C value minus 3. Substitute it. This will become 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square divided by 1 square minus 2 into minus 3. 2 into minus 3. So these 14 by 7, it is 2. Now it's up to your intelligence to determine. Calculation of this will take more time rather than this time. This simple C0. C0, C0. B is equivalent to minus A. A square plus A square by A square. Answer is 2. Again I am repeating. Make dependent variable 0. Make dependent variable 0. This concept is used. Make dependent variable 0. This concept is used to simplify our substitution method. Ninth one. If x plus y plus z equivalent to 0, x plus y plus z equivalent to 0, x plus y equivalent to minus z, x plus y equivalent to minus z. Make dependent variable 0, z value 0. This is out. This is out. Finally remaining is 3y square plus x square divided by 2y square. 3y square plus x square divided by 2y square. Make z 0. If z is 0, x plus y is equivalent to 0. X equivalent to minus y. X is equivalent to minus y. If I substitute minus y, this will become 3y square plus minus y square plus y square whole square, it will get positive, by 2y square. 4y square by 2y square. Answer for this question is 2. Answer for this question is 2. I hope the idea it is clear. These degree 2. Answer degree 0. All of them are constant, so it will not have degree 0, 2, 1, 3 by 2, 5 by 3. It is not possible. That is the reason substitution method I am using. To simplify further substitution method, I am using dependent variable concept. Dependent variable concept. Dependent variable concept. If a plus b plus c equivalent to 0. If a plus b plus c is equivalent to 0. Another very good question, sir. A plus b plus c is equivalent to 0. A plus b plus c equivalent to 0. Suppose if I make a plus b is equivalent to minus c. If I make a plus b equivalent to minus c, c will be 0. C will be 0. C will be 0. C will be 0. Again I will get a plus b. If c is 0, a plus b will also be 0. If c is 0, a plus b is also 0. Denominator cannot be 0. That is the drawback of dependent variable 0. Denominator cannot be equivalent to 0. Denominator cannot be equivalent to 0. Denominator cannot be equivalent to 0. I hope the idea it is clear. By using the dependent variable concept, c is 0. If c is 0, a plus b is 0. Denominator 0, it is not possible. So, we have understood the drawback of degree method. We have understood the drawback of dependent variable method. So, if I take the LCM, a plus b, next is b plus c, next is a plus c, a plus c, a plus b, b plus c is a plus c, numerator it will become a plus c, denominator it will become a plus c, a plus b, it is b plus c, a plus c, c plus b, a plus c, c plus b, remainder it is a plus b. So this will be 2 into a plus b plus c, 2 into a plus b plus c divided by a plus b, b plus c, a plus c. What is a plus b plus c is 0. What is a plus b plus c is 0. One is you can substitute also, but that substitution will take a lot of time. A plus b, b plus c. Remaining it is c plus a. Remaining it is c plus a. Remaining it is a plus b. So 2 into a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c it is 0. 0 into anything by 0, answer will be 0. Very good question to explain the demerit of dependent variable concept. To explain the demerit of dependent variable concept. Question number 11. Read the question. If a plus b plus c is equivalent to 0, a square by a square minus bc, b square by b square minus ac, c square by c square minus ab. Only thing in the denominator I should not get 0. If the denominator, if it is 0, then this dependent variable method will not work. A plus b plus c is 0. A plus b is equivalent to minus c. Wherever c is there, we will make 0. 0 by anything, 0, possible. 0 into anything, 0, possible. 0 into anything, 0. A square by a square, 1. B square by b square, 1. 1 plus 1. Answer it will be 2. Denominator is never equivalent to 0. So directly we can make c equivalent to 0. A square by a square, b square by b square plus 0. 1 plus 1 it is 2. 11th question, very easy question. Denominator if it is equivalent to 0, then dependent variable concept will not work. Then dependent concept will not work. A plus b plus c is equivalent to 0. A plus b is equivalent to minus c. That means c value can be 0. If c it is 0. If c it is 0. C it is 0. These 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Answer it is 1. Answer it is 1. At times dependent variables will give you the answer very quickly. Just by looking at the question itself, you can do it. Now if you see here, another one. Denominator should not be equated with 0. A plus b plus c is equivalent to 0. A plus b is equivalent to minus c. Make dependent variable 0. Make dependent variable 0. This is 0. This is 0. This is 0. So this is a square plus b square. A square plus b square. A minus b. whole square plus these b square plus a square plus b square. I hope it is clear. So this will become a square. C is 0. So a plus b is equivalent to 0. Wherever a is there, I will substitute minus b. Wherever a is there, I will substitute minus b. B square plus b square, 2b square. Wherever a is there, I will substitute minus b. It is minus 4b square. Wherever a is there, I will substitute minus b whole square. It is b square. So this will become 2b square by 6b square. B square cancel. Answer for this question is 1 by 3. Answer for this question is 1 by 3. Make dependent variable 0. Whenever the denominator it is getting to 0, dependent variable 0 concept does not work. Dependent variable concept does not work. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one, another question. Another one, if a plus b plus c is 0, if I make c 0, so if I make c 0, anywhere is it becoming 0? A plus b plus c is equivalent to 0. That means a plus b is equivalent to minus c. That means if I make c value 0, c value 0, c value 0, a plus b it will become 0. A plus b it will become 0. That means a is equivalent to minus b. A is equivalent to minus b. B square minus b square. B square minus b square. A square minus b square I am getting 0. A square minus b square I am getting 0. If the denominator it is equivalent to 0, I cannot use dependent variable concept. So a equivalent to 1, b equivalent to 2, c equivalent to minus 3. Substitution method other than making a dependent variable I will use. Again and again I am repeating, if the dependent variable is giving you denominator 0, don't use a dependent variable concept. A value 1, b value 2, c value minus 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So this will become, now if you see 1, b square it is 4 minus 9 it is 1 by 4 plus 9 minus 1, 1 by 9 plus 1 minus 4. Substitute it, 1 by 5 minus 9 minus 4, 13 minus 1 12, 10 by minus 4 6. So these 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 12, 12 LCM, 2 plus 2 minus 3 plus 1. 2 minus 3 plus 1. So this will be 2 minus 3 plus 1. How much it will be? 0, right? So 0. Wherever 0 is there, that value will become 0. I hope the idea it is clear. Very, very good questions taken from the previous year exam model questions to explain you in detail which concept is used one. Which concept is used one. Next one, 15th one. This is an original exam model question. A plus b plus c equivalent to 6 minus c. AB plus BC plus AC is equivalent to 1. Question is, A plus B is equivalent to 6 minus C. AB plus BC plus AC equivalent to 1. Let us make the dependent variable 0. Dependent variable is C. C it is 0. C it is 0. C it is 0. C it is 0. A plus B it is 6. AB it is 1. A plus B it is 6. AB it is 1. What I made? C value 0. 0 into anything. 0 into anything. 0 into anything. 0 into anything. So what is remaining? AB into A plus B. AB into A plus B. 6 into 1. 6 into 1. Answer is 6. I hope the idea it is clear. Make the dependent variable 0. C value 0. If C is 0, this is 0, this is 0. A plus B will become 6, AB will become 1. Substitute it wherever C is there, it is 0. Simple question, direct answer you will get. Again, it is an original exam model question. A plus B plus C, it is 2S. SC is the dependent variable. Make the dependent variable 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. You cannot use a degree. Why? Because numerator it is a degree 2. Denominator it is a degree 2. Difference it is 0. Make S 0. So this will be A square plus B square plus C square divided by A square plus B square plus C square. So this is equivalent to 1. This is equivalent to 1. I hope the idea it is clear. Dependent variable, maximum number of questions that we are discussing. Another very, very good question. Another very, very good question. Now see here. This is actually a cat replica question, sir. A cat replica question. Cat replica question. The same question you will find it in Higher Algebra by Hall and Knight textbook. Cat replica question. Question is, if xy plus yz, if xy plus yz plus zx equivalent to 0. This is an equation given. Xy plus yz plus zx equivalent to 0. Xy plus yz plus zx equivalent to 0. This method number 1. These also mean 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equivalent to 0. Am I right? If I take LCM xyz, numerator yz, numerator, then next term is xz, next term is xy. So xy plus yz plus zx, it is 0. That means 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equivalent to 0. 1 by x square. Wherever yz, if it goes to the right hand side, this will become xy plus zx. Wherever y square, if it is zx, if it is there, if it goes to the right side, 1 by y square plus xy plus yz. Wherever xy, if it goes to the right hand side, this will be z square plus yz plus zx. If you observe closely, if I take x common, this is x plus y plus z. Again, if I take y common, this is x plus y plus z. Again, if I take z common, this is x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z. So if I take 1 by x plus y plus z common, this is 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Answer is 0. 0 by anything 0. 0 by anything 0. This is a standard process to solve this question, which you will find it in any of the algebraic textbook. These, if you go back and refer IIT JEE algebraic question, the same question will be there. But if you observe carefully, there is a hint the author is giving you. XYZ is not equivalent to 0. XYZ is not equivalent to 0. Definitely XYZ will not be equivalent to 0, because if X is 0, Y is 0, Z is 0, denominator will be 0. Denominator cannot be 0. That is the reason it is given. Method 2. Method 2. Already we discussed the higher algebra method. 0, 1 or minus 1. If 0 is not working, you will go to 1. If 1 is not working, you will go to minus 1. 0, 1 or minus 1. This is a flip-flop method. Either flip it or flop it. Or a binary logic method. Substitute either 0 or 1. In critical cases, go to the negative value of 1. Method 2. What we will do is, XYZ cannot be 0, right? Let me take x value 1. Let me take x value 1. This will become y. This will become yz plus z equivalent to 0. I substituted x value 1. Y cannot be 0. Let me substitute y value 1. 1 plus z plus z. 2z equivalent to 0. 2z equivalent to minus 1. z is minus 1 by 2. That means 1, 1 minus 1 by 2. Let me work with integers. Multiply it by 2. 2, 2 minus 1. 2, 2 minus 1. Substitute x value 2. Substitute y value 2. Substitute z value minus 1. If you substitute this one, you will again get a 0. I hope it is clear to you how I found out the values of x, y, z. X cannot take 0, so I took x value 1. Y cannot take 0, I took y value 1. First I took x value 1, then I took y value 1. Z came out to be minus 1 by 2. 1, 1 minus 1 by 2. I do not like to work with fractions. Multiply it by 2. 2, 2 minus 1. Substitute x2, substitute y2, substitute z minus 1. x2, y2, z minus 1. Substitute it, the same answer you will get. I hope method number 2, it is clear to you. Here we will substitute same equation, sir. xy plus yz plus zx 0. pq plus qr plus rp equivalent to 0. p is 2. q is 2. r is minus 1. p2, q2, r minus 1. Let us substitute. p square 2 square by p square 4 minus qr 2 into r minus 1 plus q square, it is 4. 4 minus rp, r is minus 1, p is 2. Again r square, it is 1 divided by r minus pq, p into q, 1 minus 4. So this will be 4 by 4 plus 2, 6, 4, 6. Again it is 4 by minus into minus 6, 4 by 6. Here it is 1 by minus 3. That means 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 by 3, answer is 1. Just a substitution. Only thing which is clear to you is I started with p value 1, then q value 1, r I got minus 1 by 2. I want to work with integers. I multiplied by 2. 2, 2 minus 1. 2, 2 minus 1. I hope the idea it is clear. Again, make c value 0. If I make c value 0, this will be cancelled. This will be cancelled. This will be cancelled. So then it will be a by b plus b by a equivalent to 1. Denominator cannot be equated with 0. Make a value 1. If I make a value 1, 1 by b plus b equivalent to 1. 1 by b plus b equivalent to 1 means b cube equivalent to 1. B cube equivalent to 1. Just now we have seen a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now here c value 0, c value 0, c value 0. This is a square by b plus b square by a. Here again a value it is 1. So 1 by b plus b square. A value it is 1. 1 by b plus b square. This is 1 plus b cube divided by b. 1 plus b cube divided by b. I hope the idea it is clear. I am making c value 0. C it is 0. C it is 0. C it is 0. A by b plus b by a equivalent to 1. Make the denominator equivalent to 1. 1 by b plus b equivalent to 1. 1 by b plus b equivalent to 1. That means b square plus 1 equivalent to b. B square minus b plus 1 equivalent to 0. Plus 1 equivalent to 0. What is the expansion of a cube plus b cube? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. That means b cube plus 1 equivalent to 0. I think there also we might have done a calculation mistake. B cube plus 1 equivalent to 0. B cube plus 1 equivalent to 0. That means b cube equivalent to minus 1. Let's go back to the question where we got n square plus n plus 1 equivalent to 0. This is the expansion for n cube minus 1 cube it is n minus 1 into n square plus n plus 1. This is 0, so n cube equivalent to 1. n cube equivalent to 1. Here it is b cube equivalent to minus 1. b cube equivalent to minus 1. Again what I did, C0. C0. What is the next step I did it? C0 I did it. So these out, these out, these out. A square by b plus b square by a. Then I did a value 1. If I did a value 1, what will be the answer? 1 by b plus b square by a. 1. These 1 plus b cube by b. b cube, what is the value? Minus 1. 1 minus 1, it is 0. 1 minus 1, it is 0. I hope the idea it is clear. What I made? 0, 1 or minus 1 method. 0, 1 or minus 1 method. C0 I did. C0 I did. C0 I did it. A by b plus b by a equivalent to 1. Make the denominator equivalent to 1. So 1 by b plus b, 1 by b plus b equivalent to 1. b square plus 1 equivalent to b. b square minus b plus 1 equivalent to 0. So these b cube plus 1 cube, b plus 1 into b square. So these b cube equivalent to minus 1. A value it is 1. 1 by b plus b square by 1. So 1 plus b cube something we will get. b square by 1. So it is 1 by b plus b square. So it is equivalent to 1 plus b cube by b. b cube it is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 it is 0. Similarly here also exam based question. Root of a square plus b square plus ab. Root of a square plus b square minus ab equivalent to 1. We have to find out 1 minus, the is missing in the question. 1 minus a square into 1 minus b square. 1 minus a square into 1 minus b square. Simple equation, make one variable 0. If I make b 0, root of a square plus root of a square equivalent to 1. 2a equivalent to 1. a equivalent to 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 4. Answer is 3 by 4. Very easy way of solving this question. Answer for this question is 3 by 4. Make one variable 0. Sir, can we make one variable 0? Definitely yes. Because they are there in the numerator. They are there in the numerator. Same approach. Root of 1 minus p square into 1 minus q square. Make q value 0. If I make q value 0, root of 1 minus p square equivalent to root 3 by 2. 1 minus p square equivalent to 3 by 4. p square equivalent to 1 by 4. p square equivalent to 1 by 4. So q value 0. This is out. q value 0. It is out. p square 1 by 4. So root of 2p square. So it is root of 2 into 1 by 4. It is 1 by root 2. It is 1. Okay. 1 by root 2. Here also q0, q0. Root of 1 by 2. Root of 1 by 2. 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. 2 by root 2. Answer is root 2. 2 by root 2, answer is root 2. I hope it is clear. Making the dependent variable 0. Make the dependent variable 0. Either make p0 or q0. Either make, because it's an homogeneous function. P can be replaced with q, q can be replaced with p. The question numerical value does not change. The question numerical value does not change. I hope question number 22, it is clear to you. Question number 23, 24, these are all very, very easy questions. A by B, B by A, B by C, C by A. Denominator variables are present. It cannot take 0. So A value 1, B value 1, C value 1. So X will be 2, Y will be 2, and Z will be 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 minus of 2 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. This is 8 minus 12. Answer is minus 4. Question contains variables. Answer contains numerical values. This is the concept to be followed. These are all very, very easy question. Another question, similar cat level questions. A square plus b square plus c square 16. X square plus y square plus z square. If I make b 0, c 0, a will be plus or minus 4. Y 0, z 0. X will be plus or minus 5. These I want. What I did, b0 I did, c0 I did, y0 I did, and z0 I did it. Ax is 20. That means a can take 4, x can take 5. A can take minus 4, x can take minus 5. Two cases are possible. B, C, X, Y, Z all are out. A by X. So 4 by 5. Answer for this question is 4 by 5. 24th. I hope it is clear. Like this, 25th too. From here onwards, this is an identity based question. This is again a symmetric function based questions. Symmetric function. I think we can solve few more questions. Multiply both of them. This is an identity based question. A plus B plus C into 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. A into 1 by A, 1. Plus A by B. A into 1 by C, A by C. B into 1 by A, B by A. B into 1 by B, 1. B into 1 by C, B by C. C into 1 by A, C by A. This is C by B plus 1 equivalent to 12. What is the concept that we require? This is the value we require. Total 6 terms, right? This is the value we require. 12 minus 3. It is 9. Very, very easy question. Sum of the variables it is given. Sum of the reciprocals it is given. Multiply both of them. A plus B plus C into 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. 4 3s are 12. A 1 by A cancel. B 1 by B cancel. C 1 by C cancel. 3 into 3, 9 terms are there. In that 9, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. 12, 3 subtracted. 12 minus 3, it is 9. 12 minus 3, it is 9. I hope the idea, it is clear. 25th. 26th. Now if you see, we are talking about an homogeneous functions right now. Homogeneous functions. Homogeneous function. What is homogeneous function? They are also called as symmetric functions. They are also called as symmetric functions. They are also called as symmetric functions. If x is replaced with y, y is replaced with x, then the function does not changes. If x is replaced with y, y is replaced with z, z is replaced with x, the function does not changes. Then that kind of functions are called homogeneous functions. Homogeneous functions are symmetric functions. In symmetric functions, what you will do? Either x is equivalent to y, make the variables equal. Make the variables equal. Symmetric function, the best way to solve this equation is make the variables equal. Try to make the variables equal, you will get the answer very fast. If I replace it with B, B with C, C with A, then all three are equal. So this will be A with, make all the three variables equal. A into A cube. 3a equivalent to a cube. That means a square equivalent to 3. A square equivalent to 3. 1 minus a square. Wherever b is there, equate it with a. 1 minus a square. A into a square. Similarly, 3 functions are there. 3 functions are there. So this will be 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 by 3 into 3. Minus 2 into minus 2. Answer is 4. Wherever there are symmetric functions, make the variables equal. Wherever there are symmetric functions, make the variables equal. I hope the idea it is very, very clear to you. Make A equivalent to B equivalent to C. A equivalent to B equivalent to C. Whenever you find a symmetric function, what is the concept? Make the variables equal. Make the variables equal. A is replaced with B. B is replaced with C. C is replaced with A. It is a symmetric function. Make A equivalent to B equivalent to C. So it is A square plus A square plus A square equivalent to A cube. 3A square equivalent to A cube. A equivalent to 3. A equivalent to 3. A equivalent to 3. A square plus A square plus A square. 3A square equivalent to A cube. A equivalent to 3. So wherever B is there, put A. Wherever C is there, put A. Wherever B is there, A. C is there, A. Into A minus 1. The same thing, it is added 3 times, so it is A. A plus A, 2A, divided by A square into A minus 1 into 3. This is 6 divided by A into A minus 1. 6 divided by A into A minus 1. A is 3. 6 by 3 into 2. 6 by 6. Answer is 1. These are some of the most repeated questions. Symmetric function based questions generally comes in SSC and CAT level examination. Next one. XY plus YZ plus ZX equivalent to 1. Make X equivalent to Y equivalent to Z. X equivalent to Y equivalent to Z. X square plus X square plus X square equivalent to 1. 3x square equivalent to 1. X square equivalent to 1 by 3. So x plus x minus 1 minus x square into 3. This is 3 into x plus x is 2x divided by 1 minus x square. 6x divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. 6x into 3 by 2. 18x. 18x. 18x it is there. Now what we will do is, we will make the necessary changes in the answer option. X plus x by 1 minus x square into 3. Till here it is clear, right? So how much we got? 18x. 18x. So this is 1 by x cube. 1 by x cube. So this is how much we require? 18x, right? So this is x by x power 4, x by 1 by 9, which is 9x. Which is 9x. I hope it is clear. Any calculation? Oh, these 2 1s are, 2 3s are. These 9x only. So second option it is matching. Second option it is matching. Answer is 9x. I hope the idea it is clear. X equivalent to y equivalent to z. 1 by x cube. X by x power 4. X square 1 by 3. X power 4 1 by 9. X by 1 by 9. Answer is 9x. Like this. These are all very, very easy question. ABC equivalent to 1. No domain on variables it is given. Safely you can assume A1, B1, C1. So this will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 into 3. So 2 into 3 by 3. Answer is 2. 2 into 3 by 3, answer 2. If nothing is specified about the question, that means variables are real numbers. Real numbers means you can assume any value. You can assume any value. AB into A minus B plus BC into B minus C plus CA into C minus A. If I keep C value 0, if I keep C value 0, C value 0, it should be AB into A minus B. Answer should be, if I substitute C value 0, it should be AB into A minus B. C value 0. If C value it is 0, C value it is 0. This is minus AB into A minus B. No. Here if it is C value 0, C value 0, B into minus AB. Third one if you see, minus AB into B minus A, minus AB into A minus B. This is AB into A minus B. AB into A minus B, it is satisfying. So the answer for this question is option C. Make C value 0, you will get the answer. Make C value 0. I hope the idea it is clear. Symmetric function is a function where all the variables can be equal. Same method. Again, B is replaced with C. C is replaced with A. The equation does not change. Make A equivalent to B equivalent to C. X minus A square by A plus A, 2A into 3 equivalent to 4 into A plus B plus C, 12A. So X minus A square equivalent to 3 cancel, 8A square. X equivalent to 9A square. Make A equivalent to B equivalent to C. You should get 9A square. A plus A, 3A whole square. Answer is 9A whole square. Answer is 9A whole square. Very, very easy question. B is replaced with C. C is replaced with A. So make A equivalent to B equivalent to C. If I make it M minus A square by 2A square into 3 equivalent to 3. So M equivalent to 3A square. M equivalent to 3A square. So first one, M minus A square by 2A square, 3 are there. Into 3 equivalent to 3. 3A square. Option is C. Very easily you will get the answer. 32nd. Again, x square plus c square it is. You understood the approach. Make A equivalent to B equivalent to C. If you see here, A is replaced with B. B is replaced with C. B is replaced with C. It is a symmetric function. So x square plus A square plus A square, 3A square divided by B plus C. It is 2A into 3 equivalent to 0. X square 0 means x square is minus 3A square. X square is minus 3A square. A square plus A square plus A square. It is minus 3A square. 33rd, I hope the idea it is clear. 34th, x is replaced with y, y is replaced with z. Symmetric function. Make x equivalent to y equivalent to z. X square equivalent to 2x. X into x minus 2 equivalent to 0. X is 0 or 2. X is 0 or 2. 0. X is 0 or 2. 0, 0. Let us put an equation. X, y, z not equivalent to 0. Let me put it. X, y, z not equivalent to 0. X is 2. So 1 by 1 plus 2 into 3. 1 by 3 into 3. Answer is 1. 1 by 3 into 3. Answer is 1. Symmetric functions if you get, consider yourself lucky. Consider yourself lucky. x1, x2, x3 equivalent to 4 into x1 plus x2 plus x3. Let us do it little alternatively. This is x1, x2. If I put x1 4, x2 4, x3 4, am I getting the answer? Symmetric function, right? I will make all of them equal. If I make all of them equal, x cube equivalent to 4 into 4 plus 3x. So this will be x cube equivalent to 16 plus 12x. X is 4 only, right? 4 cube is 64. 48 plus 16, 64. Make all of them 4, 4, 4. So this will be 1 by 2 plus 4. 1 by 2 plus 4. 1 by 2 plus 4. These 3 by 6. Answer for this question is 1 by 2. Answer for this question is 1 by 2. Symmetric function is a function where all the variables should be equal. All the variables should be equal. All the variables should be equal. Ax plus by equivalent to 1. Let me put x value 1, y value 1. A plus b equivalent to 1. B plus a equivalent to 2ab divided by a square plus 2. A square plus b square. A square plus b square. Now see here. I kept x value 1, y value 1. A plus b equivalent to 1. B plus a equivalent to 2ab by a square plus b square. Again symmetric function. Make a equivalent to b. 2a equivalent to 2a square by 2a square. Cancel. A equivalent to 1 by 2. If a is 1 by 2, b also it is 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 into 1 by 2. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 1, 2 into 1 by 2. 2 into 2 by 2. Answer is 1. Very, very easy question. Seems like a complex question, but once you solve it, it is very easy. I kept x value 1, y value 1. A plus b equivalent to 1. B plus a equivalent to 2ab by a square plus b square. It's a symmetric function. So I made a equivalent to b. A equivalent to b. Another question. These are exact replica questions, sir. A plus 1 by b equivalent to 1. A equivalent to 1 minus 1 by b. B plus 1 by c equivalent to 1. 1 by c equivalent to 1 minus b. C is 1 by 1 minus b. Convert a in terms of b. Convert c in terms of b. It is 1 by 1 minus b. 1 by 1 minus b. Plus 1 by a. 1 by 1 minus 1 by b. 1 by 1 minus b plus b by b minus 1. It is equivalent to 1 minus b by 1 minus b. Cancel out to 1. Very, very easy question. Convert c in terms of b and convert a in terms of b. Convert a in terms of b and convert c in terms of b. Total 37 questions. What are all the concepts that we discussed? If you see the